Hi everyone, welcome to another one of my video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing a healthy nutritious drink that helps to build our system. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here I have ginger. Ginger helps to improve blood flow. It helps for the treatment of colds and flu. It also helps strengthens the immune system, and it also helps to promote respiratory health. And here I have broccoli. I'm using the end of the broccoli. So the broccoli has the broccoli is a superfood, guys. It helps to improve digestion, fights infection. Here I have lime, guys. So our lime here, it helps to improve digestion, helps fight infections, helps with weight loss, lowers blood sugar, helps reduces heart disease, and it also helps reduces inflammation and helps to prevent cancer. We have our cucumber, guys. The cucumber contains antioxidants including flavonoids and tannins, which prevent the accumulation of harmful free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic disease. And it also helps with inflammation, digestion, and it's a great source of important antioxidants. And then here we have here I have the apple. The apple helps with strong bones, and your apple a day, as they say, keeps the doctor away. I'm not sure if you know of that saying, but yeah, the apple and is another source of vitamin C that's good for you. And also I have celery here that helps with strong bones, and celery is good for you. Okay, it has a lot of nutritional benefits. The celery here, guys, is a great source of important antioxidant. It reduces inflammation, it supports digestion, and it is rich in vitamins and minerals with a low glycemic index. And the celery here, it has an alkalizing effect. So all these vegetables and fruits here are good for you. And I'm going to be juicing it. I'm going to be sharing a juice with you today. So guys, I had to put the juicer where you can see clearly what I am doing. It wasn't I don't think you would be able to see clearly where it was in the position it was before. But this juice, guys, I like making this juice because sometimes I find it boring eating apples, and cucumber and celery I don't really like. So this is a great way if while these produce is good for you, healthy. We should always try and find a way to consume what is good for us. If you don't like it one way, you don't like chewing on it, then juicing is a way that I accept. Things such as celery that has a taste that I don't really like unless I put it in soup. So let's get into juicing. I just want to share with you that there are ways to consume things that you don't like. Okay, so let's get juicing, guys. That's my apple, and then I'm putting the celery. Then I have my lime here, and then here I have my cucumber, and there I have another piece of apple. Here I have ginger. Here I have broccoli. celery. I have apple, celery. So guys, as you can see, I got like almost 25 fluid ounce of drink from all that produce, which is healthy, guys. It's boring taking in my fruits and vegetables, and I'm like, why not? This is a good way to get your fruits and vegetables in. Okay, so guys, if you have a juicer at home, like, don't let it just sit there. Like, take advantage of using it. If you find it boring drinking, having your fruits and vegetables. So guys, I'm just sharing with you a way of taking in your fruits and vegetables. If you find it boring, why not put your juicer to use? Put your juicer to use and consume your, build your immune system. So guys, I got like almost 25 ounces of with here. So here I have my celery, apple, ginger, a piece of lime, cucumber, and all this is healthy stuff, guys. It helps to build your immune system. There you go, guys. Healthy drink. There you go, guys. Healthy drink. It's really delicious with the apple, the celery, the ginger. It's not too, I did put the right amount of ginger, not too harsh. And with the celery, that I don't like the taste of celery unless it's in the form of a juice or in soup. This is a great way to take in your celery. With the apple, the ginger, the cucumber, a piece of broccoli, like, it's great, guys, and a piece of the lime. Cheers, guys. Guys, you should try it. It's a great cleanser. It helps to cut fat also. It's great for weight loss. I really enjoy this juice, guys, and I am happy to share it with you. And down below in the description area, I will insert the recipe for this juice. Okay, guys, and also I will go, as I speak, I will be going online to I'll try and put as much recipe in all the videos that needs the recipes written in the description below. So I'll try and get that done as soon as I edit this video. Thanks for joining me for another video, guys, and here I have some more juice drink. I got like almost 25 fluid ounce. This would be 25 fluid ounce of drink from 3 apples, 2 celery stalk, a piece of half of a lime, a little knob of ginger, and what else did I forget? The 3 apples and a piece of broccoli. And guys, I really enjoy this drink. You don't have to have it every day, but once in a while is good. And instead of having your fruits and vegetable going to spoil in the fridge, like, why not get a juicer and make yourself some juice? This is natural drink. Okay, with no additives, nothing added, no salt. It's natural, and you making the drink, you know what it is that that is in the drink, which is of advantage to you. Okay, guys, I really enjoyed the drink, and thanks for joining me. Please remember to share the videos with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel, and for those of you guys that are having trouble subscribing to the channel or not understanding, I guess the only way, guys, you would have problem is unless your Google your account is not set up, then it would ask you to maybe sign in. But then, let's say for example, guys, this is, you type in my channel name, you type in my channel name, guys, then you're going to this button is going to be red. You type in my channel name. Let me see if you can see. The subscriber button is going to be red. Okay, so you click on it. For those of you that don't fully understand, you click on it, then it will turn gray, as in this color, and then you're going to click on the bell. When you click on this bell, when you click on the bell here, it will give you all these what does it say here? All personalized and none. Then click on the all so that you will get all notification. Okay, guys, and that is how you that is how you subscribe to my channel. You click on the all and you click on the subscribe button, and when I insert or additional information, you click on here, you click on that triangle, and then it opens up the box and take you to all the information that you need to. Additional information, you could also click on my photo here, and then when you click on my photo here, I have videos that you can see. I have playlists that I am setting up. Sorry, I'm not sure if you can see. I'm gonna holding it in the camera. Yeah. So here you click on videos, you see all my videos. Playlist, I'm setting up my playlist. You click on it to see the order in which I arrange my videos, and you click on about for additional information, the about section. Okay, guys, so thank you for joining me for another one of my videos, and please share the video with your friends, and give the video a thumbs up if this video has been if you found it to be of value to you. Please give it a thumbs up, guys. So thank you, guys, and there you go. Celery juice, celery, apple, ginger, broccoli, cucumber, lime. It's really delicious. Thank you, guys, for joining me, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, guys, for joining me. Bye, guys.